ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। ਸਿੱਖੀ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਆਈ ਐਮ ਹਰਲੀਨ ਐਂਡ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਮਿਲ ਹਨ ਸਰਦਾਰਨੀ ਬਬਲ ਸੰਧਾਰੀ। ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਬਬਲ ਜੀ। Just to give you a quick introduction, she's a businesswoman, a poetess, as well as a philanthropist. Bubbles ji, ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਇਸ ਸ਼ੋਅ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। As we all know, ਤੁਸੀਂ Dubai move ਕਰੇ with your family. That was way back in 1976. ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੇ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਜਰਨੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ। How did you ended up in Dubai and ਆਪਣੇ family business ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਰੋਲ ਪਲੇ ਕੀਤਾ?
Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Sat Shri Akal to everyone and Sat Shri Akal Harleen. Thank you for having me on this show. As to start my journey, I'm a Mumbaiker. I'm from Bombay, born and brought up there and got married in Hyderabad. And then we moved here in 76, from where you want me to start the story. So 76, which asi jado aaye, my husband had moved in a little bit, a few months earlier. So I brought my sons, 3.5 saal da te 1 saal da bacha si, and we came into Dubai. And Dubai at that time, was like a big village. बहुत सोना, बहुत खूबसूरत, very warm and nice people, not like the metro city today. Not that it's not good now, but it was very different, like a village there. And we had our good times. And talking about business, we came here because Srinderji wanted to sort of expand his business into Dubai. And it was basically, we were dealing in tires and batteries. So yeah, and then when I joined him, it was in manufacturing and trading of tires and batteries. So when we joined in, I helped him in the administration. And slowly, because the kids were very small, they slowly, when the whole business grew and Rabdi Mehr naal काफी बड़ा business हो गया, तो फिर it became very professional. And फिर the younger generation बच्चों ने, they started to take over from us. So I diverted my attention and my thing towards the Gurdwara. And I'm still on top of it in the office. I'm still a director, and I do what's going on in the office, and I do give my opinions whenever we are talking and having discussions. Lekin at the same time, now my interest is in the Gurdwara and doing social work. So that's how it is today as it stands.
That's great to know. That's great to know how Dubai turned from a village to a metro city, what it is now, right? It's great to know that. Bubbles, we know that your work is an RJ, and to see कुछ serials which we enact किता है. Please साडे नाल कुछ अपने experience इस field with share करो.
ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਇਟਸ ਅ ਲੌਂਗ ਟਾਈਮ ਅਗੋ, ਬੜਾ ਜ਼ਮਾਨਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਯਾਦਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਦਿਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. ਬਟ ਇਟ ਬੋਥ ਦ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਕੇਮ ਬਾਈ ਚਾਂਸ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ this director was there somewhere in a party, we met up, and it pehla serial kar rahe si which was being shot completely in Dubai. So he requested me if I could do a small role in it, this that. So asi bhi masti main Surinder ji nu pucha, I said okay, go ahead. So just for fun. And whilst we were shooting, they ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ I don't know whether my voice or my diction in Urdu or whatever it was, ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ you can do a great thing as an anchor on a radio channel. So I said ਮੈਂ ਕਦੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ. So he said ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ shooting ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਦੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ, so why don't you try? So then I got a call from the radio station that they are waiting for me. I said ਚਲੋ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ. So there became and I did this for nearly 10 years. But we were interviewing all kinds of personalities. Like I started with Sukhbir as my first interviewer, and the Sukhbir is that the Bhangra Prince, as we call him, right?
Yeah, right.
And then we had Malkeet Singh, Kapil Dev, and lots of personalities whom we interviewed. So it was a lot of fun. But just for fun, and it was like a passion I used to enjoy, and creativity ho jandi hai that you make your questions, and on the spur of the moment to see question karo answer. It was very nice than a monotonous done kind of question answers, so acha siga, maza aaya, but har cheez like time hunda hai, and that's now history for me.
Yeah, no, that's absolutely right. We agree. Twari personality is definitely a great fit for an anchor as well as an actor. So it's great to hear that. ਬਬੂਤੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੱਖਰੀਆਂ ਭਾਸ਼ਾਵਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਵਿਤਾਵਾਂ ਵੀ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਹੋ। ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਅ ਪਲੇਜ਼ਰ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਪੰਕਤੀਆਂ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ ਫਰਮ ਯੋਰ ਪੋਇਟਰੀ।
हाँ जी, मैं लिखती सी शुरू तो बचपन तो इनफैक्ट मेरी एक बुक भी पब्लिश हुई है और उसके बाद हुण मेरी सेकंड बुक इज आल्सो रेडी नाउ, दैट द 101 पोएम्स ਤੇ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਲੈਂਗੁਏजेस ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਜ਼ਬਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸੇ ਜ਼ਬਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖੋ ਤੇ ਇਟ ਜਸਟ ਕਮਸ ਆਊਟ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਸਪੌਂਟੇਨੀਅਸ ਥਿੰਗ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਅਗਰ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਮਝੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਸੋਚ ਆਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ, it's very contrived, you know, or spontaneous ਹੁੰਦੀ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਦੀ ਕਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਕਦੀ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਉਰਦੂ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਕਦੀ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ। ਸੋ ਜਿਸ ਸੋਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਏ ਉਸੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਸੇ ਲਿਖ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਫੋਰਚੂਨੇਟਲੀ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਬਲੈਸਡ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤਿੰਨ ਚਾਰ ਜ਼ਬਾਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਹੈਵ ਮੈਨੇਜਡ ਟੂ ਰਾਈਟ ਅ ਫਿਊ ਪੋਇਮਸ ਤੇ
ਓਕੇ, ਦੈਟਸ ਆਸਮ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ,
that's amazing. We love ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ how versatile are you in different languages, in writing in different languages. That's really great to hear.
Thank you.
Hun ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ like we would love to talk a little bit about your spiritual self. Like ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਵਿਜ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਇਨਸਪੀਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਊਅਰਸ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ your views on interfaith tolerance and what role does Sikhism play in the same?
Okay, I don't know if I can call myself spiritual self, Harleen, but I follow the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji to the best of my ability. That being to be a good human being.
Right.
Sikh ho, Hindu ho, Muslim ho, Isai ho, it doesn't matter. Pehle you have to be a good human being. As Guru Nanak Dev Ji had said, that we are children of one God. है ना, हिंदू मुसलमान कोई फर्क नहीं पैंदा, ना कोई हिंदू ना कोई मुसलमान। And so he said, like, you know, अव्वल अल्लाह नूर पाया कुदरत के सब बंदे, एक नूर के सब रोशिया कौन भले को मंदे। So I believe in that very much, that we are all children of one God and we have to follow that and make that, imply that, you know, apply that to the public in general, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਾਣਾ by examples, not just making statements. And all the principles like naam japo, one chako, te kirat karo. These are the things that we should follow, and that is my goal and my vision, and to make people realize this. So I make all the effort and to promote this, which will lead to the second part of your question about tolerance and the role of Sikhi as far as I am concerned for tolerance and interfaith.
Right.
Now to that, we have done a lot of projects and things like that in the UAE, and under the banner of Guru Nanak Darbar Gurdwara. So that is because we want to promote that Gurdwara is not just for just doing kirtan, sitting and just going back, but to promote all the principles of our gurus. So as we koshish they are in different ways. We had the first one we had was a United Nations International Peace Day. जिथे सारे आए सीगे, we had all dignitaries coming there and we promoted what peace was all about during those war conditions in this world. The second, we did United Nations World Interfaith Harmony Day. Now that was a very big thing jo asi pehli wari 2016 vich kita hai, and that had never been done before anywhere in UAE. So for them it was a very new thing, which consisted of 52 overseas delegates. We had 250 local delegates, and there were 14 religions which were going to be talking on interfaith. There's a subject which was किसी कार सुख वसिया बार सुख पाया। ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ 14 ਰਿਲੀਜਨਸ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਰਿਲੀਜਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਟਸ ਕੀਤੇ ਐਂਡ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨਡ, ਐਂਡ ਦ ਫੈਕਟ ਵਾਸ that everybody was so united in their thoughts. So actually we all know कि हर religion ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰੋ and treat everyone as equal, and no religion is better than the other. ਸਾਰੇ religion ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ road ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ। So ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸਮਝ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ, ਕੋਈ ਈਗੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ। So that's what we tried to do, and this was so well received. It was so well received by the public and by the government कि उन्होंने immediately after this they started promoting the same thing, interfaith, and they made a ministry of tolerance, which is a feather in a cap. कि भाई देखो इस चीज का इतनी महानता हुई है, इतनी appreciation भी हुई है that people started following it, and so we feel very proud about that fact. And then we can talk about also on the tolerance. I must say that my husband, by the way, has written a book on tolerance, which is going to be, it is ready. It has to be published soon because of this pandemic. We are holding on to it.
So that makes sense.
We take interfaith, and so seriously we take about tolerance.
Wow. That's really, really impressive. And at the such like lesson which I could grab is the Sari religions, like they all teach us to love and treat everyone equally. They like just doing puja path is not enough, right? You have to actually show it in your actions, or the principles new actions which convert karna. That is what actually religions tell us. So that's amazing.
One more thing before you move to another question is that something very, very which was very unique also was Baba Ji Guru Nanak Dev Ji da 550 साल जब गुरपुरब सीगा, we had 550 children participating on that day. उस which you saw बच्चियां नु असी 4 religions which divide करके ना wearing different outfits representing Christianity, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and they all sang from their religion, do tukka, jo bhi san, jo prominent san another religion, which and bound into one tune, and they sang together. It was like mesmerizing, and log khade hoke taaliyan bajayi aisi logan ne, and there were tears, trying to promote interfaith, trying to promote that all religions are one and we all are children of one God. We did that. We had a local Emirati who sang a Shabad, which was Allah Pakam Pak hai. So for a local Emirati to sing that Shabad was very tough. But again, it showed interfaith, an Arab singing a Sikh hymn. This was all promoting interfaith together. These are our activities that we did and we are continuing to do,
Yeah. No, this sounds absolutely serene. We can imagine Sare religions ka ek hona, like actually having the opportunity to see that in front of you. I am pretty sure it will be amazing. एक दुबई with बहुत ही सोना गुरुद्वारा है, which we all know about. It's the Guru Nanak Darbar, right? तो ऐसे जानना चाहेंगे कि in the times of this pandemic crisis, ਜਿਹੜਾ कि पूरी दुनिया इस चीज ਨਾਲ सफर कर रही है, ਤੇ प्लीज ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸो कि गुरुद्वारे ਦਾ इस चीज ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ रोल है to help people?
गुरुद्वारे का बहुत रोल है, बहुत बड़ा रोल है, और ऐसी है कि पब्लिसिटी नहीं कर दे, कुछ नहीं, ऐसी चुपचाप अपना काम कर दे जो गुरुओं ने किया है. दिस इज आवर ड्यूटी टू डू इट एंड वी आर डूइंग दैट. क्योंकि ऐसे जिस तरह फूड एक्चुअली देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ब्लू कॉलर्ड पीपल हु हैव इतनी बुरी हालत है कि आई कैन नॉट इवन एक्सप्लेन. उन्होंने 4 महीने सैलरीज नहीं मिलिया, खान पीन वास्ते पैसा नहीं है, एंड दे आर लिटरली सो गुरुद्वारे आंदे ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ raw material ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ raw material ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, bags ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਦਾਲ ਚਾਵਲ ਆਟਾ ਤੇਲ ਚੀਨੀ and things like that, tea and stuff, whatever they ask ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ packets bags ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ raw material ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. ਬਾਕੀ ਕਾਫੀ ਲੇਬਰ ਕੈਂਪਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. even ਸਾਡੇ Indian embassy, Indian consulate here in Dubai, ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅਪਰੋਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਲਾਣੇ ਕੈਂਪ ਵਿੱਚ 1500 ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਡੇਲੀ ਫੂਡ ਦਿਓ for 1 month, ਜਾਂ ਫਲਾਣਾ ਕੁਆਰੰਟੀਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈਗੇ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਓ. So at the moment we've almost given about 100,000 meals we have given to people, and we are continuing to do it even now. So ਜਦੋਂ Ramzan ਸੀਗਾ, we used to give for iftari, we used to give them food to everybody, whether Hindu, Muslim, it made no difference. Saaryan nu dende si. And after that, vegetarian, of course, we were serving dal, sabji, and things like that. So and it's not like we are obliging. It is our duty. Sade Guru ne sanu sikhaya ki aisi ye kam karna hai. So
it's a very proud moment for the entire Sikh community. Ki asi ene duniya de ene tough times which we asi एक अपनी ह्यूमैनिटी भी हेल्प कर पा रहे हैं. वी आर देयर टू सर्व पीपल हु नीड आवर हेल्प. जो कोई भुखा है, वी आर देयर टू सर्व देम. जो भी उन्हें प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, देयर इज अ कम्युनिटी दैट इज देयर टू हेल्प देम इन टाइम्स ऑफ नीड. सो आई थिंक
we also are doing repatriation. Sorry, I'm butting you in every time.
No, definitely. We love to hear more about you.
Yeah, well, repatriation of the labor that is there. काफी लोग जिसके out of jobs or those who have just come and are stranded. ते वही गल उन्हें देखो पैसा नहीं हैगा, कुछ नहीं हैगा, खान पीन नहीं है. So what we are trying to do, those who can afford, fine, they pay their. We have chartered 5 flights are already gone. Today was another 5th flight that went to Amritsar and Chandigarh, and there are 10 more flights which we have chartered, and we are sending all these people with them. Yes. And it's not easy, believe me, to get slots, to get to land there. कदी वो कहेंगे नहीं जगह नहीं हैगी, कदी इतू बंदे नहीं, कदी इतू time नहीं मिलता. So it's really a tough job, and I have to compliment my husband and the entire volunteer team that are doing this day and night. Day and night we are doing that. So we've almost sent 1,000 people, and there's still 2,000 more to go. So there's still 10 more that we are arranging. And hopefully by end of this month, we should be able to, provided we get all the permissions again, and we're able to do it.
Right, that's amazing. But अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के कि in a मुश्किल time which we सारी community जो है we are getting together to help the rest of the world in as much ways as possible. It's great to hear that. We are aware that तुसी बहुत ही dedicatedly contribute करते हो to the various social causes. Through your involvement in the Gurdwara committee. We would love to hear something about that as well.
Well, yes, we do a lot. Women's Day jara hunda hai, because most of the people, as you know how sari community which hai gayi, all the women, they somehow feel that they are. So we actually encourage the women participation in the Gurdwara Sahib. We have Women's Day and we have Sikh Women's Day. So we combine the two. And that day, one particular day, I assigned to that between Women's Day and Sikh Women's Day. And then the whole day, the seva is done by women. Swere 4 baje prakash to leke, raat de 10 baje sukhasan tak, sab kuch, kirtan, ardas, Baba ji the prakash, ya utte hukamnama lena, everything, even shoes polish, langar seva, everything. The men are not allowed. They only come as sangat. They can sit and polish karte hain. And also, we always keep one woman as an inspirational woman from Sikh history. Unna de bare dal karte hain, and we have a video, or we explain to them, so that way the younger generation they understand what our Sikh history and what our women have done to contributed towards that, which is being now gone back into history, and people have forgotten. Unna di yaad karna, unna no respect dena, wo karna. Then we also have, this is as far as, we had 2 already. We've done in 550 years, we did Bebe Nanki Dibarij. Till this year, we talked about Mata Khivi. And it will continue every year, we do that. Or फिर ऐसे बच्चियां नु सी सिखाने हैं गुरुद्वारे and other activity. We teach them Punjabi, we teach them harmonium, kirtan, tabla, and most of all, we teach them how to be good human beings, which is very important for the next generation to have their roots very firm on the ground, knowing what is right and what is wrong. ये बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि उन्हें ऐसी discipline दी. So that is our own thing to do for the children, which is done well. Actually, ऐसे उन्हें चरनी भी लानी है. That is the last time काफी बच्चे चरनी लगे बाबा जी दे, which is a great achievement we feel, in this generation. Hanji. Then also I do for the underprivileged children and special needs children. I'm on the committee over there, and also on the committee with the Indian Consulate to look after the destitute women and sort out affairs in the families, disputes and things like that. We do blood donation from the Gurdwara. Also, we had arranged cultural program. जिथे ਅਸੀਂ Punjabi literature ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ we had called people from senior people from Punjab and everywhere to talk about what our literature is all about and जो साडी विरासत ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ उसके बारे में, and also some cultural programs we did with Mr. Grewal at come, the Sufi singer. So we kind of do all these things, and then I have Young Hearts, which I love very, very close to my heart. So these are the very things I have been doing, and we are continuing to do.
Yeah, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सानू सुन के कि तुसी जेरिया भी activities करते हो. I'm pretty sure कि they are very important in especially educating the children about our Sikh history, and as well as कि ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਸੰਸਕਾਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਦੇਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ activities ਨੇ they're really beneficial in helping them grow into a very good human being. So that's amazing to know that. एक question मेरे दिमाग ਵਿੱਚ आ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ कि like ਤੁਸੀਂ सारे social causes ਨੂੰ contribute ਕਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ efforts ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ. So what are the challenges that you face living in a Muslim country? What are the challenges that you face in contributing to these social causes?
Well, actually, there are many, except for the fact that initially, people think as a woman, they're very skeptical, especially when men on there, is she going to be doing it or not? But that barrier has been crossed. And I don't see any challenges as such, except that people are very receptive and they very much appreciate what you're doing. So there is no such thing as a challenge in what you're doing, because it's something you're doing for the good of humanity, and people fortunately understand and appreciate that. So there's no challenge except for the part that you're a woman, which is being overlooked now.
Yeah, definitely. No, it's great to know कि जो पूरी entire community है पूरी ही supportive है, and they appreciate what someone is doing for the sake of humanity and for the well-being of the society. That's great to know.
In fact, even for the repatriation and for the langar, I must say the entire community, not only Punjabis, the Hindus, the Sindhis, the Muslims too, everyone got together to help us to contribute into this cause. So which shows that all are one, and everybody knows that this pandemic is something that is not going to affect a religion, but everyone.
Definitely.
All forward, and really we appreciate that. And on this channel, I would like to thank them all for all their work that they are doing for us.
That's beautiful. Bubbles ji, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ fields ਵਿੱਚ ਕਈ awards ਨਾਲ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ. Please ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਨਾਲ in achievements ਬਾਰੇ share ਕਰੋ.
Will it not sound I'm like being very proud and arrogant about it?
Not at all. We would love to learn ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ achieve ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ and how did you do it?
Well, okay. It's just that it's Guru di mehr hai. Ek Guru de vaste unna ne appreciate kita kyunki Guru da kaam assi kar rahe hain. So it's not like I have personally got the award. It's the kindness of the people, and it's an appreciation for the work that is done by us. They're following the principles of Guruji's. So on that basis, I'll say that I had, first one was my IWEP, which was International Women Entrepreneur Program. No, sorry, Empowerment Program. International Women Empowerment Program. Then I had a Bonita Award for Elite Entrepreneur. Then I had Super 100 Women. I was featured in that, which is for the Middle East and Africa. Then I was a chief guest and a speaker in the summit of 2020. Then the Chief Khalsa Diwan also उन्होंने सम्मानित किया सानू, और SGPC ने भी ऑनर किया सी सानू, सम्मानित किया सी for all the work that is being done in Guruji's name, not ours.
That's beautiful. ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ initiatives ਬਾਰੇ aware ਹਾਂ for the senior citizens, and that is called the Young Hearts Group. Please ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੁਝ share ਕਰੋ about what the Young Heart Group does and ਉਹ society ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ help ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ.
Okay, Young Hearts Group was formed 5 years ago, and it is a group of senior citizens above 60-65, and it is something that's very close to my heart, because I really feel when I see the senior citizens, I'm also part of it now, but still on the other side of the fence, and just as the children are the future, I say the elders are the backbone of society. So it is very important that we kind of give them that much of respect and let them enjoy these years of their lives, so that and learn from experiences. So these people, especially in the UAE, they're busy with the kids, are busy with their lives, so they feel a little lonely. And getting them all together, they feel that it's now like a big family, this Young Hearts, which consists of 40 members and 20 volunteers. But to keep it to that, because jadon zyada vadda ho janda hai, then that family feeling goes away. Now today, each one knows the other one's name, and they're so happy, they're so sporting, they're willing to do everything, because there's so many things, when jadon tusi apni family chonde inhibitions hondiyan ki main hun saas sehgi ha te main hun ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ, ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ. ਅਸੀਂ ਤੇ fashion show ਕੀਤਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ all these people modeled, and they were so happy. Yeah, the parents, the children came and said, we can't imagine a mother-in-law sitting with a dupatta and
Yeah.
modeling. There were tears in their eyes. It was so
Wow.
good.
That
They
sounds
so
so interesting.
yeah, and they love it. They're asking me, next कदों कर रहे हो? मैं कहा जी करांगे थोड़ा जा क्योंकि then they forget. Some of them have got Alzheimer, some of them have got Parkinson.
Yeah, yeah.
So उन्होंने सिखाना बार-बार, but willing to do everything. And we have once a month we have taking the outings for them. We take them for picnics or movies or do games and everything, and they are willing. We took them outdoors. We took them first to Amritsar.
Okay.
दरबार साहब लेके गए उन्होंने इतने खुश showed them entire I mean Amritsar, the Wagah border, ये वो सब जगह arrangement पूरा किया सी. It was really nice. Then we took them to Prague because they wanted to go to Europe side and this side. So I said, okay, Prague will actually. So they were getting more adventurous and happy, that they could do all that. फिर उसके बाद होते जब पैंडमिक हो गया तो ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਿਲ नहीं सकते. So ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ Zoom पे ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ अंताक्षरी शुरू की थी once a week. So Antakshari, they all sing, भाਵੇਂ जितनी भी tune जितना भी हो
Nice.
but they're
Yeah.
sporting. Then we have for them now these movement mantra, which is muscle exercises, which we do with them on Zoom. So basically, I see 8 times a month we meet instead of once a month. Now during this pandemic. But the whole thing is that they want to meet. ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ कहना कि जुलाई अगस्त बंद कर दे, सितंबर शुरू करेंगे. नहीं ऐसी किसका जान. We want to meet our friends. We want to do this. So it's this family feeling which is so important that they have developed.
Yeah, yeah.
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
Yeah, that's really good, and we are sure कि ਇਹ ਦੇ activities ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਅੰਦਰੂਨੀ satisfaction ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ. I'm pretty sure that is priceless. That is something that would like definitely give you happiness as well as satisfaction. That is going to be priceless. That's really good to know. We loved your experiences and your like stories today, and I'm pretty sure कि सारे दर्शकान ने भी बहुत enjoy किया होएगा, and I'm pretty sure they would have learned a lot of a lot of steps that you took. They would have learned a lot from this conversation today. It was such a pleasure to have you on the show, Bubble Tea. It was such a pleasure to have such a graceful and beautiful personality in front of us today and talking to you about your life journey with us. Thank you so much for being with us on the show today.
Thank you very much. I thought you were going to put the poetry on. Have you slipped your mind?
Yes, we have the
बहुत अच्छा लगा जी 3-4 महीने के बाद गुरुद्वारा साहब में.
So that was a beautiful video about the Gurdwara and ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ timings ਨੇ and how the pandemic is affecting everyone. It was great to know about your experiences and how you are helping the society. About your poetry, can you like, will you be able to recite a few lines yourself of anything that you have written that's like one of your pieces?
I won't be able to recite here because no. Let me put it on the video because when I write, I don't remember
Okay.
what I write. But I would want you to actually 1 minute, 2 minutes. It was I wanted to. I think I'd sent, but I think there's some problem somewhere. It was on
Yeah,
Maharaja.
probably.
It was Punjab Di Yaad. And I particularly sent that because 27th June no Maharaja Ranjit Singh Ji da the death anniversary see, and I'm a great admirer of him. So I had read that poem, but I think something went wrong. Somebody just give me 2 seconds, and I will just
Sure.
give it to you.
Sure.
In fact, I can put that on. And 1 minute, please.
Sure.
1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Anji, I can't because I can't see it now. Last minute. 1 second, Ji, this is sorry for that little bit of.
No worries. No worries. Take your time.
Oh yeah, but it's on the video. It's I'll just put that on.
Okay.
Can you hear? Can you hear?
Apologies to non-Punjabis. इसका शीर्षक है पंजाब दी याद.
Can you hear?
Yes, we can.
याद बड़ी आउंदी जिसते खजाने विच भरिया सी सोना चांदी. आज उस पंजाब दी याद बड़ी ही आउंदी जिसते खजाने विच भरिया सी सोना चांदी. महाराजा रणजीत सिंह जी दा राज सी. पंजाब बड़ा ही खुशहाल सी. सोना लाहौर भी साडा अपना सी. ਉਹ ਸ਼ੇਰ ਹੁਣ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਇੱਕ ਸੁਪਨਾ ਸੀ. ਅੱਜ ਮੱਕੀ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਸਰਸੋਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਗ ਦੀ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਆਉਂਦੀ. ਗੁੜ ਗੰਡਾ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਸੀ ਮਿੱਠੀ. ਮਿੱਸੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਮੱਖਣ ਦਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਅਚਾਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਬਣਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ ਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਹੱਥ ਦਾ. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਏ ਕੁਲਚੇ ਛੋਲੇ ਰੰਗ ਬਿਰੰਗੇ ਬਰਫ਼ ਦੇ ਗੋਲੇ. ਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਦਾਲ ਤੇ ਤੜਕਾ ਘਿਓ ਦਾ. ਪੁਦੀਨੇ ਦੀ ਚਟਨੀ ਤੇ ਚੂਪਣਾ ਗੰਨੇ ਦਾ. ਕਣਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਖੇਤ ਲਹਿਰਾਂਦੇ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਸਾਰੇ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ. ਕਿੱਥੇ ਗਈਆਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਵੀਰਾਨ ਹੋ ਗਈਆਂ ਗਲੀਆਂ ਵਿਚਾਰੀਆਂ. ਜਵਾਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੁਣ ਚਿੱਟਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਟੁੱਟਦੇ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਡਿੱਗਦੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ. ਸ਼ੇਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਵੇਖੋ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ. ਸ਼ੇਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਵੇਖੋ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ. ਉਹ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੌਕਤ ਲੁੱਟੀ ਗਈ. ਅੱਜ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਸਾਡਾ. ਆ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਂਭ ਲਵੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੌਮ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ. ਆ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਂਭ ਲਵੋ ਆਪਣੀ ਕੌਮ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ. ਲਹਿਰਾਵੇਗਾ ਫਿਰ ਖਾਲਸੇ ਦਾ ਝੰਡਾ ਧਰਤੀ ਤੇ ਉਸੀ. हर तरफ होवे एक लहर खुशी और उमंग दी. मुड़ याद आउंदी है फिर उसी पंजाब दी. थैंक यू. ये सी पंजाब दा मेरा नजरिया. उम्मीद है
Beautiful.
पसंद आएगी. शुक्रिया.
Beautiful. ਇੰਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਪੰਕਤੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਮੱਕੀ ਦੀ ਰੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਸਰਸੋਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਗ ਯਾਦ ਦਿਲਾਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It was great to have you on the show, Bubblesy. We really enjoyed our conversation. Thank you so much. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Fateh.